Snow in the forecast for tonight. Not a whole lot by any stretch of the imagination, but right now 40 degrees in Salt Lake City, 45 for Ogden, 46 degrees currently in Provo. Let me show you our satellite and radar here across the region because we do have a cold front that's starting to move into northern Utah. We've had some storms clipping southeastern Utah this afternoon, but overall 10 o'clock tonight, temperatures in the mid 30s for Ogden, Salt Lake, Provo, Manti up through Logan, 31 degrees at that time. And then by tomorrow at 9 o'clock, we're still right around freezing. And by tomorrow afternoon, temperatures only going to peak close to 40 degrees for Provo, Salt Lake, and Ogden. Now, future snowfall for the next 24 hours. So we take you through Wednesday afternoon. We're going to have the possibility. This particular model has us up to an inch of snow here in Salt Lake. We've got this front that's moving over the Great Salt Lake, a cold front behind it. We're going to get this strong wind out of the northwest. We have those right temperatures in the lake, and with all of those ingredients, we could end up with some lake enhanced snow down into Salt Lake. Now, if we get measurable snowfall, which is more than 1/10 of an inch, that means this would be our first snowfall here in Salt Lake City for the season. We did have some snowflakes here in Salt Lake mid-October, October 14th, but it was just a trace amount, so not measurable. St. George mid-50s tomorrow, a very cold start to your Thanksgiving morning. Take a look at that, 28 degrees, 56 for a high on Thursday, 60s this weekend. Here along the Wasatch Front in your super 7-day forecast, tomorrow in Salt Lake City, 40 degrees for a high. It'll be a chilly day tomorrow, and those temperatures will hang out in the upper 30s for much of the afternoon. Then on Thanksgiving morning, 25 degrees, 45 degrees for a high on Thanksgiving. So as we take you into some details for Thanksgiving, a frigid start. You'll have some cold turkey runs and some dry roads if you're going to be traveling to grandma's house. By Friday, 51 degrees, and we're going to have partly cloudy sky. Top headlines as we wrap up the week. We'll have warm temperatures for the weekend. Valley inversions will return, and some storms will be possible towards the end of next week. For Saturday, speaking of skiing, if you are going to be heading up to the resorts up in the Cottonwood Canyons, get ready for temperatures in the mid-20s at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning, into the 30s after lunchtime on Saturday. By Sunday, Monday, and into next week, temperatures in the mid-50s. And then by the end of next week, we have the chance for some more rain and snow here across the region.